Hi, welcome to the first tutorial in shape modeling. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to make this cube with an inclined surface. One of Blender challenges is to know which method will work faster and work correctly. So we will look at these three methods. I will delete the cube and I have turned on the screencast keys so that you can see what I'm doing. I will add a full cube, go into edit mode, then make a vertical loop cut and another horizontal loop cut. I will then go to face select mode, select these faces, delete them, X, and then go to edge select mode and then select these two edges, press F to make a triangular face here, select the other side, two edges, press F and then select these four faces, four edges, and then press F. So like this we have our, let me tab into object mode, we have our first shape. I will make a second one. Let me hide it. Shift A. I'm going to use a second method. This time I will use a subdivision. So I'll go into edit mode. I will right click and then subdivide. So I will again delete these faces. I'll go to face select mode. X, delete faces and then reconstruct faces again. So I will select this edge, F, select these two, F, and finally select these edges. Make sure to select the two here at the top and two here at the bottom, and then F. Again I have the same cube, so let me grab it and hide it. I will use the last method. I will add a cube, go into edit mode. I will now select this edge. This is the top right side edge. I will press Ctrl B for bevel. I'll go to the panel appearing here. I will set the width to 0.5. Actually, let me set it to 1 so that I bevel a half, because the cube is 2 meters long. Then keep the shape at 0.5. I will tab out of edit mode, go to object mode so you can see. Let me grab it again, on y-axis and hide the others, Alt H. As you can see, I have 3 similar cubes with different methods. For my preference, I prefer the bevel method as it is faster. And if we go into edit mode, for it you see it leaves out fewer edges and vertices, meaning it takes less space than the other two. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.